Clyde does some of my favorite looks, and I'm a little sick right now, so I'm not gonna talk really, but what are we gonna call it?
We're gonna call, we're gonna give it Hollywood.
Everyday
casual.
Hollywood.
Yeah.
The everyday
exactly.
Hollywood that I've been obsessed with these past few weeks, and I just think he does it the best.
We're gonna start with separating her hair into a super sleek side part. Starting from scratch, this is dried by itself, so we've got to do a good brush out. She's got the best head of hair. I'm using a hair wand to set the waves in, smooth the hair out, and then you're just gonna wrap it around, leaving the ends out, holding onto it. I'm just giving it enough heat to set the curl. You want to pin this and let the whole curl cool off. You know, to build a little volume, I'm gonna start up under. I see where her bend is. That's where I start to wrap. Ends out, clip it. Clipping it is the most important thing because that's what sets the curl. What I'll do is trickle down, like from here, I'll do like a top layer to get a good wave, and then I'll go deeper and do these. I love to take like a little bit of gel, take more like a toothbrush, and we groom these into place. Take your wand or curling iron. Thing is, if you use your curling iron, don't open it up. You don't want your hair pinched. Well, if you can show you with this one. And with your curling iron, just wrap it around with the ends. If her ends aren't held together, I may do one more, just a little snap at the ends to get it in the right direction. You want a little glamour at the front, so I will go under to get a lift, bend it, wrap it around, still leaving out the ends, spin it, pin it, let it cool, and then you'll be good to go. Depends on what kind of hurry you're in. If you're in a hurry, you may use your blow dryer on a cool setting. That'll help set the waves. We love some L-Mat. I'll kind of go in here inside these curls to reinforce them, and then it's time to release. So pull the pins out. The curls have totally set. They've been built to last. Here we go, bouncy, gorgeous. I just like to brush through it and let the waves do their own thing. That's what makes it last all day, when you work with somebody's own hair texture. The last thing, just to hold things in place, I may do just a touch of a grooming, whether it be a cream or a wax.
I look so good for my sick day today.